how to cancel a Noom subscription without being charged again. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply open your Noom application, or you can simply get into noom.com to their web version. You can get into that, and then from here make sure that you are logged into your Noom account, right? So after making sure that you are logged into your Noom account, now what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner right here. After tapping on the profile icon here, you'll be able to get into your settings. Now simply tap on settings, and then you will be able to see the option of manage subscription. Keep on scrolling until you find manage subscription, tap on it, and then from there scroll all the way down. Then on the bottom you'll be able to see the option of cancel subscription. Simply tap on cancel subscription, and then you can now follow the confirmation prompt until you get an email receipt, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel your Noom subscription without being charged again. So yeah, that is it.